Hello, and welcome back to Mega Factory. On today's journey, we are exploring a tiny bird with a massive impact. Have you ever wondered how those tender, nutritious quail dishes served in top restaurants are actually produced? Today, let's step inside the world's most advanced quail farming system. We will travel from the strict biosecure farms hidden in the forest to the high-speed automated egg lines, and finally, the cutting-edge meat processing plant. If you are curious about the secrets behind this industry, make sure to watch until the very end. Look at this huge quail farm. Hidden deep in the forest, it is completely isolated to keep the birds safe. Even the trucks get a high-pressure shower before entering. And watch the tires rolling through that disinfected pool. See those massive silos towering over us? That is a serious amount of quail feed stored in galvanized steel. Inside those clear pipes, the augers are constantly turning, pushing food to the cages. Hygiene is the obsession here. Before anyone steps closer to the quails, boots get a rigorous scrub. Hands are dipped and sanitized. It's like a surgeon preparing for work. Here they are, thousands of active quails, creating a living, moving sea of feathers. They have fresh water on demand. Just a peck, and it drips right out. And look below the cages. That conveyor belt whisks waste away instantly to keep the quail habitat clean. Staff are always checking in, misting the air by hand to keep everything sterile for the birds. Every detail gets marked off on that checklist. Nothing is missed. And when the day is done, the lights dim down. Now, let's check out the future. This cold room is stacked floor to ceiling with thousands of potential quail chicks. A thick fog of sanitizer wraps around everything. Inside, the machines do the work of a mother quail, tilting the eggs gently back and forth. Under the warm light, the shells look perfect. Oh, wait! Look closely. Tiny quail beaks are breaking through. It's the miracle moment happening right in front of us. Suddenly, it's a carpet of yellow fuzz. Thousands of baby quails moving everywhere. Gentle hands are quick to clear away the empty shells. The little chicks slide down onto the belt. It's like a playground slide. And a quick mist of vaccine keeps the young quails protected. These workers are incredibly fast, sorting the quail chicks with gentle, skilled hands. Into the travel boxes they go, plenty of air holes for comfort. Stacked high on the trolleys, the quails are ready to move. Loaded into a climate-controlled truck, they're safe for the road trip. Back at the farm, the production never stops. Fresh quail eggs roll out naturally, just following gravity. It looks like an endless river of these speckled gems traveling down the line. Watch how the eggs all merge onto the central belt. It's mesmerizing how smooth this runs. Now for the spa treatment. Rotating brushes scrub every single quail egg with thick white foam. High-pressure jets blast away the soap, leaving the shells sparkling. Powerful air blowers dry them off instantly. And that purple glow? UV lights killing any bacteria on the quail eggs. Technology is great, but human eyes are sharper. They check every tiny egg over the light table. See that? A quick hand grabs a cracked one before it goes further. Then, the machine takes over again. The machine stacks them up perfectly, 10 levels high without a wobble. It takes some real muscle to lift those stacks of quail eggs onto the pallet. Then they get wrapped tight in plastic film. Off they go to the cool warehouse, staying fresh until these quail eggs reach your kitchen. Over at the processing plant, the quails arrive calm and collected. They are carefully hung onto the stainless steel shackles. The line moves steady and sure overhead, carrying the birds into the facility. It's a quiet, respectful process to start the transition. After the hot water bath, the plucking machines spin into action. It's incredible how fast this happens. The rubber fingers do the work. And look at the result. Perfectly clean, white quail skin emerging from the machine. This part is all about precision. Robotic spoons remove the insides cleanly and quickly. Powerful water jets wash the inside of the quail thoroughly. The quails fall into the screw chiller, swirling in ice-cold water to drop the temperature fast. Or over here, in the air chiller, thousands of quails hang in the cold breeze. A quick probe with the thermometer confirms it. Inside the cutting room, it is freezing cold. But look at the focus here. Skilled workers handle the knives on clean boards. We are in the home stretch now. The quail meat travels on pristine white belts. Every portion is weighed on digital scales. Accuracy matters here. Gentle hands place the quail neatly into trays. It's not just food, it's a product they're proud of. The vacuum machine sucks the air out, shrinking the film tight to lock in the freshness of the quail meat. A worker gives the seal a strong pull. Yep, that's not going anywhere. Through the metal detector loop it goes, and the green light says the quail is safe. Speed is key here. Boxes of quail products are packed and taped shut before you can blink. Layer by layer, they build a solid block on the pallet. The wrapping machine spins around, securing the whole load. It's amazing to see the quail shipment come together. The forklift drives right into the container, loading up for a long journey. The heavy doors swing shut on a job well done. Snap! The seal is locked. And there they go, trucks rolling out. From this hidden forest, sending quail to kitchens all around the world.